need any special introduction. With the pandemic, we all know it's one of many ways to prevent the spread of infection. It's important not just for kids but for everyone. It seems to be a very simple thing, is it not? Oh, hand washing. What's so important about it? What's the discussion about? Trust me, not many people know the right way of hand washing. Hello, I'm Dr. Srilekha, and in today's video, I'll share with you all the benefits of hand washing and also show you how to wash your hands correctly. Washing hands has become quite popular thanks to COVID-19 infection. Otherwise, why washing hands is important? We often tend to cover our nose and mouth with our hands while coughing and sneezing. Also, we tend to handle the secretions from our nose using our hands. During these processes, microorganisms from these secretions settle onto our hands. And if we touch objects like doorknobs or mobile phones without hand sanitization or washing our hands, the organisms settle on these objects and someone who comes in contact with them can fall sick. Also, our poo contains millions of organisms, and when an infected person does not clean his hands, the microorganisms settle onto his hands and also on objects that are handled by the infected person. Germs from unwashed hands can contaminate food and water and can make people sick. Most of us have this habit of rubbing our eyes or handling our nose or mouth, and we are not even aware of this. When we do this, the microorganisms gain access to a normal, healthy body. Now, what are the benefits of hand washing? Do you know diarrhea and pneumonia are the major causes of death in children around the world? Hand washing can help 1 out of 3 children with diarrhea and 1 out of 5 children with pneumonia. Hand washing education can help with school attendance. Parents, are you listening? Also, hand washing can help in development of child in certain settings. Hand washing can prevent at least 20% of diarrheal infections and thereby preventing use of antibiotics and antibiotic resistance. Also, hand washing can prevent infection with antibiotic resistant microorganisms, which are very difficult to treat. Proper hand washing can also help to prevent skin and eye infections. If you do not wash your hands, the risk of you getting infected increases. Remember, children can get affected more easily. Now, let me show you how to wash hands the right way. Wet your hands. Apply enough soap to cover all surfaces. Rub hands palm to palm. Then, right palm over left upper part of the hand with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Rub back of your fingers against the opposite palm. Rub your thumb with the other hand and do the same on opposite side. Rub your clasped fingers forward and backward on the opposite palm. Rinse your hands with water and dry with a clean towel or napkin and turn off the tap using the towel. I hope the video helped you understand the right way to wash your hands. Don't forget to follow this technique on a daily basis to improve your personal hygiene. For more such videos, stay tuned to MFine channel.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.